Hey guys, this is B-Rock here, and we have Ricky and Carissa, and we are going to the car show out at Scottsdale, and we're going to see some cool cars, and we'll see you out there.
What's up, guys?
What do you got to tell everyone in Australia?
Hey, Australia. This is America Ricky here. I'm here to tell you. I don't know.
Check this out. There's another one in there.
Yeah.
We got some random dogs in the car here. And a tiger. I don't even know what kind of car this is. Cadillac?
It's a Pontiac.
Pontiac. That thing is really cool. That thing's beast. I'm gonna have to get some close-ups on it. This truck.
Yeah, so this is a 1965 Chevy. The guy who invented this, his name was Michael Chevrolet.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you've heard of him before.
We're gonna do a fact check on this.
No, you're gonna, every fact book you look in, fact. He might not have made Chevrolet the company, but he made this truck, the 65-year edition.
Alright.
How much horsepower it got?
This car, it's got at least three.
At
least three horsepowers.
That's a lot of horses.
How many pistons?
I mean, how many horses do you have pulling your car? This one got at least three. As you can see here, there's a couple little coins on top of the batteries.
Collector's coins.
These are American coins. I don't know what you might have heard of, but the coins are black. That's where you keep your change.
Alright.
On your battery. That's
I didn't know this. It must be an American thing.
Yeah, it is. Everybody does that. Classic the red nitro engine.
Nitro.
It's at least a level 4.
Level 4.
Yeah, so it's good stuff.
That's car knowledge with Ricky.
Yeah.
Thumbs up, Ricky. That's so cool.
You got it.
That's crazy.
We're asking like, what, 6 hours at least?
I'll tell you what, it took me 2 hours and 40 bucks.
Whoa.
That's all we got.
Custom wrap. Oh,
Yeah, if you need any work done, you can hit us up.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, dude, follow us on YouTube. Stance Boys giving a free pair of Ray-Bans away. It looks great. I don't know what anyone's thinking. It looks really good. You're actually running proud. It's great. Got a couple people thinking it looks sick.
It's awesome. Dude, best rap I've ever
What do you guys think? Sick? Sick?
It's sick.
Right on, dude.
Yeah, man.
Sweet.
It's like a
Check this thing out, huh?
oh look, it's got an Instagram.
How's a porg?
The Mad what? F85?
Mad Fab.
Fab?
Yeah.
Look at this. Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Oh, look, even got the spikes coming off.
It's road hazard. Stunt bike going on here. So the back bar will ground down. Where's the plate? No plates on it. Another stunt bike. What is it? It's old.
What about the
Machine gun handle. That's so cool. Be seeing Ricky's car here next week.
Oh, you guys are gonna see my car here next week. I got myself a nice 2013 Prius C. Saves on great on gas.
Yeah.
They won't even hear me come in or out of this place.
Yeah.
It's a hybrid. Yeah, so this is a classic Honda Civic. Very, very idolized here in America.
Oh?
This is the Ferrari of the USA right here. Definitely not a household car, you know, like nobody has these around, they're really rare.
Not American built then.
No. Make sure to check out that rare driver club, Maserati Mob.
That's a Russian one. Check the link out in the description of that.
Oh my god, Optimus Prime is pulling back in.
Is that what it is?
This rat is terrible.
Oh yeah.
Is it?
No, I don't know. I think it's. Oh, it is. No, it is up to the front.
How can you tell?
The flank on the side.
There it is.
It's a forklift, right, Brock?
Lifting capacity. How many tons, Ricky?
So the lifting capacity, as you can see right here on the instructions, 5 tons.
5 ton lifting capacity.
Yeah, I don't mean to brag, but this baby has gotten me through a lot of hard times. Picked up my first date in this bad boy.
I bet.
This one's got at least 12.
Literally picked up. Well,
Yeah, no, I went over to her house and just picked her right up.
Lamborghini with a dog. A Supra. Thank you.
People take pictures of him so much
It's
for
so
for
cool.
like for like Snapchat or something like that.
I've never seen someone just chilling out with a lizard out here. It's got one of those, the exhaust out the back too. That's cool.
Yeah, it is Iron Man. That's crazy. This is weird.
That's insane, dude. She's a little bit dirty. Only on one side of that. So just here at the Scottsdale Car Show, as you guys can see, very, very busy out here. Lots of cars. We've got Lamborghinis, we've got Chevrolets. I don't even know what that was up there, but it was pretty loud. I think that was a Mustang. We got all sorts of cars here. Big trucks, fast cars, low cars, old cars, new cars. Alright, we'll get back to the action. It is Optimus.
Yeah, it's the same. You can see it on
Look at the head and the inside. I don't know how I could fit in that thing. That's crazy. There's not a lot of room in there.
Look at that. Straight hitting with a rock.
Oh yeah!
All right, guys. All right, guys, so that's the end of the night. Most people are starting to head out now. We're going to go to the car show. We're going to see some cool cars. And we have Ricky and Carissa. And most people are starting to head out now. They were all, as you could see, sort of racing on the streets there. A lot of them are going to go out and race on the highways now. Yeah, really cool show. The cops were trying to dampen things a little bit there, but I don't think that's going to stop anyone tonight. I plan on coming down here another time. Like the video if you think it's good, and let me know in the comments if you want me to come back here, maybe go to some of these street meets or something. Alrighty, that's it for me, and this is B-Rock out. I'll see you later.